solve these questions in front of you. First of all, I will explain some basic points that we are going to use these points again and again, like to write a rate of equation. For example, A plus B goes to C. We want to write its rate. Its rate will be equal to a rate constant multiplied by A to the power A multiplied by B to the power B. Okay, so order of the reaction with respect to A will be A, order of reaction with respect to B will be this small b, and total order of the reaction will be A plus B. Okay, so there is another thing, there are few reactions that are called elementary reactions. Okay, so elementary reactions have this property that whatever the coefficient here, for example it's 2a and 3b, for elementary reactions, these coefficients will be the same as the order of the reaction. Okay, for example, if this is the reaction and your teacher says that it is elementary reaction, okay, and he asked you to write its rate, so you will write it like rate is equal to k a to the power 2 and b to the power 3. So this is the only case when your teacher mentions that the reaction is elementary. Okay, so we will solve this first question one by one. Okay, in the first part, this part, rate is equal to k NO2, sorry, k NO2 to the power 2. Okay, so we need to answer A and B part for all these four questions. Okay, in A part he says that identify the order of the reaction with respect to each chemical species present in the respective rate reaction. Okay, and the second is determine the overall order of each of the reaction. Okay, so in the first part, there is only one element, okay, that is NO2. So its order of reaction with respect to NO2, order of reaction with respect to NO2 will be 2, and overall order of the reaction will also be 2 because only one species is present. Okay, for second part, rate is equal to k. So in this part there is no species present in here. Okay, so order of reaction will be 0. Okay, because there is no, there is nothing in here, nothing, either A, B, C, nothing is in here, only K is present, that's why its order of the reaction is 0. Okay, so for the third part, in which rate is equal to K H2 Br2 to the power 1 by 2. Okay, now there are two species, so order of the reaction with respect to H2. What is the power of H2? If there is no power, the power is 1. Okay, so order of reaction with respect to H2 will be 1, and order of reaction with respect to Br2, what is its power? Its power is 1 by 2. Okay, so overall overall order of the reaction, you need to sum these both. Okay, 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2, it will be 2, 2 plus 1, it will be 3 by 2. Okay, so overall order of the reaction for this part is 3 by 2, and with respect to H2 it is 1, with respect to Br2 it is 1 by 2. Okay, so fourth part, in which rate is equal to K NO to the power 2 O2. Okay, so order of the reaction with respect to NO, it will be 2. Order of the reaction with respect to O2, there is nothing over here, so it's always 1. Okay, so the order of the reaction with respect to O2 is 1, with respect to N2 is 2. So overall order of the reaction, it will be 2 plus 1, it will be 3. So now question 1 is solved.